I wanted to put together a video to help you guys that need extra practice with constructing the circumcenter, incenter, and centroid using GeoGebra. First of all, go to geogebra.org, go to the classic view. I like to get rid of the grid and the axes and this calculator. We'll do the circumcenter first. Create your triangle with 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth click back to the beginning. And since we're making the circumcenter, we want the perpendicular bisectors of the first segment, second segment, and third segment, and put a point where they meet. So there's the circumcenter. One more thing I'd like for you to do is to draw the circle that shows that it's equidistant to the three vertices. To give it a test to make sure you did it right, click on a vertex, and that circle should stay touching the three vertices. And again, you can see the circumcenter is inside when it's acute, on the side when it's right, and outside when the triangle is obtuse. So that is the circumcenter. Now, for the incenter, we'll create a new triangle. And now we want the angle bisectors. So we'll use the angle bisector tool. Whatever angle you want to bisect needs to be your second click. So click, click, click for that angle bisector, and then repeat for the other ones. Now that we have the three angle bisectors, the point where they meet is called the incenter, which is always inside that triangle. And remember, this one is the one where it's equidistant to the sides. So to show that, I'm going to draw the perpendicular segment, perpendicular line, from the point to a side. Remember, that's the shortest distance. It's that perpendicular segment. Put a point there. And now, to show that it's equidistant to the sides, we'll draw a circle to it. And now when I move the triangle, it should stay inside. In center goes inside. And the last one is the centroid. We'll make our triangle. And remember, we want the midpoints. So we want the midpoint of each side. Use the midpoint tool. And we want the segment from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. There's the centroid. We'll put a point there. And then the one thing I want you to show for the centroid is that it splits the median. So we'll find the whole median length using the distance tool. We'll do the 1/3 part and the 2/3 part. And again, if you move it, you should see that those relationships stay the same.